Alright, so this one we're going to first just expand this out, and you can see here we've got 2a sine x, a cos x, 2b cos x, and minus b sine x. So when I put all the sine x's together, I've got 2a's and negative b here. And when I put all the cos x's together, I have an a and a plus 2b. So we know that has to equal 7 sine x plus 11 cos x. So clearly you can see that 2a minus b, the coefficient of sine x is 7, and a plus 2b, the coefficient of cos x is 11. So solving simultaneously, we are going to take, I think I'm going to double this one. I'm going to times that one by 2 and then just add together. So if I double that one and add together, I get a 4a plus a. If I double that negative 2b plus 2b, they disappear. Double 7, I get 14 plus 11 is 25. So you can see a is going to be 5. If I sub it back into, let's say, this equation, I have 2b is equal to 6, so b is equal to 3. So if I just write up here, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, then I can do the next part. So that was just simultaneous equations there. So hence show you that. So our integral, this being our integral, you can see will be equal to, so that stuff on top, 7x plus 7 sine x plus 11 cos x, we're going to break up into a 2 sine x plus cos x, so a was 5, on the denominator, which is 2 sine x plus cos x dx, plus b, so plus 3, and this is 2 cos x minus sine x on 2 sine x plus cos x with respect to x, and we've got 0 to pi on 2 for our limits. Alright, so this one's nice and easy because you can see it's 5, 2 sine x on, plus cos x on 2 sine x plus cos x, so that's really 1. The integral of 1 being x if we integrate with respect to x. So we're really going between 0 and pi on 2 for x for that one. This one here, nice, and if you look at the bottom, if I differentiate that 2 sine x, I get 2 cos x. If I differentiate cos x, I get minus sine x. So you can see the derivative of the bottom is at the top. So this is actually a log of 2 sine x plus cos x when we integrate it. Alright, so let's have a look at what that is. So clearly here we have 5 pi on 2 minus 0. And here we have 3. I'm going to log. We don't need the absolute values because they're all going to be positive. We're in the first quadrant. Here, so 2 sine, I'm going to sub in pi on 2 first. So 2 sine pi on 2 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Plus cos pi on 2 is 0. So that's going to just, I'll put it there anyway. Minus log of, now I'm going to sub in 0. 2 sine 0 is 0. And plus cos 0 is 1. And we know that log 1 is 0. So this just in here becomes log 2 minus log 1. So it's just log 2. So we've got 5 pi on 2 plus 3 log 2. And if we factorize by a half, we have a 5 pi. And we need to double this second term because we factorized by a half. So 6 log 2, which is what we are looking for. Great.